Come on guys, I'll tour you around. So we arrived yesterday. That was March 27. And we're planning to stay here until March 30, Sunday. Ayan. May saging na nahinog. And this part, so I also planted humerus lemongrass last month. So ayan na siya, madami na sila. It's so hot right now. Ayan, patay na yung patola. So pwede na siyang gawing loofah. Harvest na natin yung loofah. Ayan, loofah, and of course the seeds, we will be replanting them. Super init talaga, buti mahangin dito sa farm. Makapag-inhale tayo ng fresh air. So later we are going to cook some chicken tinola. So since it's so hot today, and for sure later I'll be harvesting the malunggay earlier today. Okay. So mag-harvest muna tayo ng mga malunggay for now. For our tinola this afternoon. So we need more vegetables para iwas sakit. Though nagkakasakit kami recently. Siya, yung malunggay doon, marami siyang bunga. Masyadong mataas. May saging pa dyan sa kilid. Hi guys, I already harvested malunggay, and I've got also one loofah.